Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check empty RAM slots PC without open. To begin, right-click on Start and click on Task Manager. After, in the Performance section, select Memory. Here at the bottom, you can find all the details of the RAM memory actually. After, go to the link that we leave you in the video description, click on Setup English, and then download the utility. Now run the file, accept the use license. Select the path where it is installed and define whether the shortcut will be created or not. After this, click on Install to install this utility. Wait for it to finish this app. Now open the utility, wait for the components to load. In the app, go to the Memory tab. In it, you will find all the details of the RAM memory installed. After this, you're going to go to SPD tab. In this tab, you can find the complete details by usage slots. If a slot does not give you information, it means that is available. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.